How's it going, guys? It's Q, and I'm back. As you can see, I'm back with my original setup today with the lighting and stuff like that. Let me see. Hopefully you guys can hear me good. I've been doing some testing with different lighting setups, and I'll probably be getting me a ring light pretty soon just to capture frames better and stuff like that. But anyways, I'm just doing my original for right now. But yeah, so Atlas Reality just went on ahead and dropped a new video recently. Now you guys probably won't see this video until Saturday, but today's Friday. Or tonight is Friday when I'm recording this. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to talk about some of the updated things that they're going to be implementing and just kind of give my opinions on some of this stuff. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get right into it. The first thing that stood out to me was the possibility of PvP competitive games within the app. So they plan on essentially adding like different ways to do stuff. Like right now they're going to be doing the hunt and adding new like little games and little things within the the metaverse like community that's going to make things more entertaining and bring more of a game aspect to Atlas Earth right now. So just that alone I think is really good that that's on the radar for sure, because I've definitely said this before and I've heard others saying this as well. As of right now, it really feels cool, but there's still a lot about it that just kind of feels like a basic like little app. It doesn't really feel too much like a game right now. So them working on bringing that aspect to it is definitely a good thing for sure. So glad that they're like, just overall glad to see that they are paying attention to that and that's on the radar. Also, you guys can kind of see my account right here. I'll definitely be doing like an update, like after I give some of my thoughts. I'll definitely do like an update and kind of show you guys some of my other accounts as well and talk about this. But first, I just want to talk about some of the updates. But anyways, yeah, so the next thing, something else that kind of stood out to me that was kind of interesting was, and sorry if you guys can hear my laptop right now. My laptop just got extremely loud. Hopefully it's not too loud, but it's something that is cool that they will be doing in the new update. Now, keep in mind, there still isn't an official, I guess, date yet of when the new little update will be coming out, but we do know that it'll be coming out soon. As of right now, they're just kind of fixing up some just like some little glitches and stuff, some issues, bugs and stuff like that, just to make sure everything is running good. So yeah, we just got to be patient on that, guys, and give them their time on that. But yeah, something that they're going to be doing is expanding the player radius. So that's pretty cool because it's going to allow you to, it should allow us to, I'm not 100%, but it should allow us to be able to have a bigger range to buy more land. And the main reasoning behind them doing that, as stated in the video, was since the diamond hunt is coming out, they want people to be able to actually get the diamonds without having to, I guess, walk too far, trespass, and you don't want to be up in people's yards, like you don't want to, and that actually kind of makes sense. Like I didn't even think about that at first, but yeah, like you don't want to be in people's like land on someone's property trying to get a diamond, so hopefully everything goes well with this whole diamond hunt thing. Something that I want to add on to that is that spoofing was mentioned, and if I'm not mistaken, I think that's the term that's used for when people change your location. I guess that's what it's called, spoofing to another location. So yeah, guys, make sure that you're not doing that too much with this diamond stuff, because you don't want to start getting in trouble with that, I guess, or doing that too much. So yeah, something that I kind of did want to talk about though that was really interesting to me. I was going to edit this in, but you know what? I think I'm just going to pull up the image. Here we go, guys. This was just like a little snippet that I took of the video, right? I had kind of paused the video and I was kind of looking at this like spin the wheel system. So basically, whenever you get a diamond, you'll be able to spin the wheel. And as you can see right here, it says 1 diamond, spin the wheel. So we don't know if this is the final version of exactly of what it's going to look like, but in the update video, this is what they have in here. So I just kind of wanted to break down some stuff that I thought was interesting. So yeah, they have 1x, it takes 1 diamond to spin it, and then if you spin it, you can get any of these rewards. So if you look on here, as of right now, it looks like there's 2 places that you can get 2 other diamonds. There's a total of 8 different rewards that you can get, but we don't know for a fact. This is just my speculation. So don't quote me on this. I don't know for a fact. Only, unless they reveal some information about it, is the only way we'll really know. But I'm guessing that this is kind of sort of RNG based. So, you know, like a probability of getting 60 or 1 diamond or 8 or 2, whatever, you know, there's probably, if I had to guess, there's probably I don't know if it's a 100, I don't know if it's a completely even chance of getting these, right? But who knows, it might be. Yeah, so you'll be able to do this. Now, he said that you could actually do this up to 5 times. You could potentially utilize it up to 5 times per day. And that the expectation on average is you'll probably earn anywhere from 10 to 20 free Atlas bucks a day. That's actually pretty cool because you know, it was also mentioned that they're trying to get to a point to where we can at least get 1 free parcel / plot a day easy. And that's pretty cool because for me personally, I know that that's just my goal. My goal is to really just do that. I mean, some people are going crazy, you know, when the ads were completely free. Well, they're free now, but like when there was no limit, people was going crazy and just like buying up all kinds of like people were getting like grinding hard, you know, buying up all kind of land, getting all kind of Atlas bucks, right? But yeah, for me, I think I'll be happy with just 1 free parcel a day. But I will say that right now it's kind of hard, and I talked about this in a previous video, but I kind of see why people were kind of feeling a little about the new limitation, 3 an hour, because the thing is that realistically it's kind of hard to remember to get on there every hour and do those 3. I mean, you can, but it's not always possible. So you might get a free parcel, like maybe if you're really like thinking about it and really trying to do it, maybe every 3 days realistically. To be honest, I actually haven't even been doing my ads and doing it, so I've just been busy with other stuff. But anyways, yeah. So the fact that they're implementing this is actually pretty cool, and I just wanted to kind of talk about the options here. Now, once again, we don't know if this is what the final thing is going to look like. If I had to guess, this is probably how it's going to be, but who knows, they could change it. So just keep that in mind, right? But if you can see they have 1 diamond on here, another diamond, and then they have 1 Atlas buck, 2 Atlas bucks, 6, 8, 20, and 60. Now, of course, this 60 is really nice. You know, 60 for 1 spin, that's nice. Honestly, that's nice, you know. But if I had to guess, I feel like the probability of getting this is probably low, but I could be wrong. If it's all an even chance of getting all of these and it's just randomized, then that's cool because it really gives people a full incentive of, you know, going out and finding diamonds, right? So that's pretty cool. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of look at some of the options they had here. So yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to do with that. I guess the last thing that was mentioned is that after they get this stuff sorted out, they will be focusing on cash outs and referrals. So you guys know me, that's the cash out feature. The PayPal is the main thing that I'm waiting for. So that's something that I'm really just waiting on them to implement at this point. The referral system is cool as well. I wish it was something that would have been out before, really been beneficial, like from the get-go, I feel like. But, you know, whenever they put that out, it's still going to be something that's really good, though. Because the more people that, you know, start hearing about it, I feel like there's already been a lot of new, like, there's been a lot more people talking about Atlas Earth now. And, you know, you'll get even more people talking about it at that point, especially if they find some kind of way, like if they do it to where the referral system gives the person that's referring people, if you get an extra amount of rent or get a piece of your referrals rent, then that right there is going to be huge. Now, I'm not sure if they're going to do that or if they're going to just make it to where you get free Atlas bucks or something for each referral you get, or maybe you get a certain, like anytime they get Atlas bucks, then you get Atlas bucks too, or a piece, like a percentage of those Atlas bucks too. Maybe, I don't know exactly how they're going to do it at all, but I'm definitely interested in seeing how that's going to work, you know. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the update. But I just kind of want to show you guys just my, you know, just talk about my progress. So as you guys can see, I'm still at $14 and 155 parcels. To be honest, I haven't been doing my ads the way that I've been needing to at all because I've just been busy with some other stuff. So pretty much everything has been non-boosted income. So yeah, but that's pretty much where I'm at right now. So And then for my other 3 accounts, so for my second account, I'm at 62 cents. My third account, I'm at 43%. And then at my fourth, or cents, I mean, not percent. And then my fourth account is at 17 cents. So yeah, that's pretty much how I'm doing right now. I haven't gotten any new parcels or anything like that. So just to kind of show you guys an update on my other 3 accounts, I'm still at 30x, but of course on my main one, I'm at 20x, which is kind of a little discouraging. That could have something to do with why haven't felt the need to really do that or, you know, be on here that much. But yeah, so that's pretty much where I'm at. Not too much anything new going on there, but yeah, definitely looking forward to still seeing what will be implemented, and you know, just looking forward to new things with Atlas Earth, and you know, new things from Atlas Reality. So I feel really good about Atlas Earth still. Oh, you know what, something that was very interesting as well that I'll just add to this video, and shout out to HGN YouTube for this. I believe that he had reached out to the support, and I guess maybe he was just inquiring about some information about the next official like big phase 2 update. And you know, you guys can go check out his video. I'll probably put his video up, but I'd already did a community post, so you guys can check it there. But if you haven't already seen it though, they were saying that they were planning on phase 2 releasing in actually early next year, like sometime around next year. Now that's actually pretty interesting because phase 2 is supposed to have the, let me see, auctions, I believe. Yeah, phase 2 auctions, that's when that's supposed to come out. Now I really feel like this game will completely, like, I feel like it's gonna get a bunch of publicity, and a bunch of people are going to start getting into this more once auctions come out. And that's something that I've really been looking forward to as well. But it looks like, you know, according to that email that was in his video, it looks like we might have to wait a whole other year, a whole year for this. So that's kind of interesting. I'm kind of not sure how I feel about it. I feel like that's kind of good, but at the same time, it's just like, wow, you know, another year. So a lot can happen between now and then for sure. And we'll see. But that's kind of good because that means that they plan on being around and doing this and sticking with this and working on this for a while. And that's something that initially made me feel good about this and about Atlas Reality, because you know, they've been working on things and been around for years. So, you know, that's why I was saying in my other video, some people were saying that this is a scam and stuff, but you know, you just look at the history of the company of Atlas Reality, it's clearly not a scam. But yeah, it's just, I think people just kind of are a little impatient and don't see the vision of how things can improve over the years and over time, you know. And also maybe people just don't realize the significance of being early, because stuff like this is still pretty early right now with this. But anyways, yeah, so that's just something I thought I would add to this video. But you guys go check out his video. Really good at keeping up with the news and stuff, so check that out for sure. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here and let you guys go, not take up too much of your time. And I want to thank you guys for the support. If you made it this far, watching this far, thank you, appreciate you. And you guys take it easy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.